All right, in this video we're looking at mouse input in the practice activities, and this one happens to be the ghost moving with the mouse. So let's read the directions here and kind of get into it. So in this level you'll make the ghost move either left or right depending on the mouse position of the mouse pointer. In the example shown, if the mouse pointer is on the left, the ghost moves left. The opposite is also true, so obviously if it's to the right, it's going to move to the right. So this is very similar to the one before this one where you did the ladybug, and we're going to actually, instead of one if statement though, we're going to need two. So we're going to go over here to control, and these are actually what we're going to plug in to those if statements. So we really don't need to do much with that. So we're just going to need two if statements. We'll have this one right here, and we'll have this one right here. And the first one we're going to look at, let's take the one that's to the left. So if we go here and we do world mouse X, forgot to add the math in there. And let's say it's going to be less than. So if the mouse cursor location is less than, say 200, well then it's going to move that way. But I don't think we should have less than 200 and then the other one greater than 200. I think we need to have a little gap in there. So have, like, if it's less than 100, it's going to move this direction. If it's greater than 300, we're going to move it this direction. Okay, so let's go ahead and we'll go to the world and we'll drag this out. So we're going to say while the mouse.x is less than 100, and we know that 0 is the x location over here and 400 is over here. Okay, so while the world.mousex is less than 100, we want our ghost to do this. We want it to subtract 5 from it each time, so it's going to move to the left. And if we decide that this is not enough, we could make it 150. You could make it whatever you want, but I'm going to stick with this one for right now. And then I need to drag for my other one over here, and this one's going to be greater than. Same idea. We're going to go ahead and grab the world.mousex, and we're going to make this one 300. So what's going to happen with this is if the mouse.x is less than 100, it's going to go this way. If it's greater than 300, it's going to go this way. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look. So right now it's over here, and then I go over here and back this way, and then in this area, if I'm between those two, like this is 300 right here, this is 100 right here, then it won't move. Kind of cool. All right, so this is kind of, a couple things with this. One, it's, about the loops. Loops are awesome tools in programming, and they will run continuously until you tell them to stop. But also using if statements. This is a foundation thing for programming and really a useful tool and used throughout programming. So this is kind of how you set this up, just two ifs. And hopefully that helps you with your coding here for the ghost moving. And good luck.